Okay, you got a vertical blind that's out of step. See, I got one in the center that won't let this turn open. Now sometimes you can shake it a little, but you don't want to damage it. This one I probably could shake it, but another way to do this is if you have something long like a broomstick,
less likely to
or
cause damage.
this one, the vertical blind wand. What you can do is just take it and push it through like that, and that way making sure all the blind slats are in order. Nice and easy, but that one just had one out of step, no big deal. I'll show you again if I took it out of step. Now we got one that's out of step, so the blinds aren't going to open. What we can do is just take it and reorient the blind, nice and easy. Don't want to force it. If your blinds don't open, check if one of the deals is out of step. This one was for ones that are high up that you can't reach. You know, you can just use a broomstick or something longer to reach up, and you know, when it's down on the ground, it's really easy. Like this one, if I had one that was out of step here, like this, it's off and deal. Don't force anything. If it doesn't open up, check. This, you can just use one finger, 2 fingers. It's a nice, easy way to check and get it done. Anyway, that's for ones that are high up. Nice, easy one.